It's gotta still work, right? It's gotta still work. Can't be that crap. Alright, plugged in. There we go. It's just a broken fuse, that's all. 1 minute. Oh, that's 12 minutes. I'm not doing anything. Why? Come on. There we go. Oh, the cool buttons it's got. Mind the glass. So it's got all these cool buttons in here. Set it for whatever the hell that is. Broke again. What is this thing over here? Fine. You gotta work now? Get out of the junk appliances can't even work. Out of the way, door. Jeez. Unbreakable handle. It's metal. Plastic crap. Out of the no, my microwave, it's not working. I wonder why. Fancy keypad with all the extra buttons. So fancy, even though this thing didn't work worth a damn when I tested it. I forgot to put my other glove on somehow. Time to get rid of it. The worst part of doing this is trying to get the casing on. The security screws. Gonna be really fancy. Fancy red white hole magnetron. It doesn't work. I'm sure I'm gonna get everyone super mad at me. Let's just extract it carefully, shall we? How do I hit it? Dangerous. Okay, I'm gonna put the sludge in there. Come on, hit the fan. Oh, fancy magnetron. Yep. Walmart quality. fancy components. That's it for the Hamilton Beach microwave. On to the next microwave I have.